one more. Yes, all right. Come on, we want the tigers. BamaTex here at the Plaza, playing some Genghis Kahn on Dragon Link. Those are the majors, chasing the 896 maxed out major. I just hit a $100 ball, playing $5 a bet, $1 Dino. I wasn't recording, I hit that $100 ball. I said, okay, I'll go record. All right, that's a $75 ball. We just saw a lady at Silverton win $4,000 on this game. On a $5 bet. I don't remember what Dino she was on. Save it here. Come on. This will be pretty good. $290 with $100 in. We'll take that. All right. Definitely tripled our money. Let's see if we can get the. She got it on the regular bonus where it's times 2. She had something here. I think one of those times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2, and it was $5,000. I mean, sorry, $4,000. Oh, three more. Oh, that would have been awesome back to back. I just saw that major. Need to get the horse bonus. You don't have many lines here, it's only 5. 3 more. 3 more, or 4 more spins. Boy, those were spread out, weren't they? Oh boy. We're gonna cash that out, y'all. That's a quick triple up. 100 in, 300 out. Alright, here at the Plaza. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. God bless and roll tide. Alright, here we are at the Plaza, downtown Las Vegas. Just got the second bonus. The first bonus only gave me 0 balls. I won 25 bucks. This one, the mini is 100. So let's see if we can get the minor or the major. The major's up around 7 something. Yes, I love the color on this game. I love green. Come on, major, minor, another mini. We'll take it. Save it. Save it. Come on, save it, save it. There we go. Yes, all right. All right, I like it. We're playing 10 cent Dino, $2.50 bet. Do it again, come on. Save it here, save it, come on, save it, yes. Big ball, yes, come on, keep it going. Big ball, another word. All right, let's see if we can save it. One last, nope. It's gonna be pretty good though. We got a $25 ball. Alright. That's not bad. Alright, we got 100 in. It's we're a double up. Let's see if we can get another bonus. I really want the lantern bonus because these things will drop up and down during the bonus. It pays you really well. They're wild. Oh. Got 2 of them. 2 of them again. Come on. Oh boy. Three more. Oh man. Alright, we'll play it down a little bit. I hate walking away with. See the lions are. Ooh, that's a big ball. Oh, come on. Wowza, y'all. Won't go below 150, I don't think. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, 2. Some of those symbols are same color. Makes it. Oh, come on. Oh my gosh. 3 more, 3 more, 3 more. Oh, darn it. Okay, $10. Oh boy. Wow, y'all, I don't know. Yeah, let's play it. Come on. Oh. Either or the bonuses. Oh boy. Oh, now that one should have been it. Wow, y'all. This thing's got me dancing instead of me having it dancing. Wowza. Oh, can you? Okay. See what we're going to do. We're going to bump our bet down to 5 cents. It's only $1.25. I bet we'll get a bonus. Free. A little bit more video. There we go. Come on. Here's the bonus and the bonus. Get all 3 of those would be a good payoff. Oh. Oh boy. That's a good start. The neighbor just sat down and hit the luxury line buffalo bonus. Oh goodness. I think for $1.25, bet we'll keep playing this one. Come on, train. Okay. Still get the major. Oh boy. the tigers. 3 of the tigers. Tiger, tiger. Oh no, that's what I wanted. Oh my gosh. That's what we wanted in the bonus. Yeah, keep him roaring. Oh boy, last one. No, we got 2 more. 3. Oh boy. Go. A couple more spins. Last one. Okay, we'll cash that out. Well, got to play a little bit. 100 in, 50 out, lost $50, but it was fun. Alright, roll tide out.